Nexus 101, Nexus Mods official website. Nexus is a term with multiple meanings, but in the context of technology and software, it often refers to a repository manager. It allows you to proxy, collect, and manage your dependencies so that you're not constantly juggling a collection of jars. It simplifies the distribution of software, whether internally within an organization or externally to customers and partners. How Nexus works: proxying remote repositories. Nexus can proxy public repositories, providing a centralized location for all your software libraries. Hosting internal repositories, it can host internal artifacts, ensuring that all team members have access to the same versions. Grouping repositories, Nexus allows you to group several repositories, which can be accessed through a single URL. Known issues and fixes: performance issues. Nexus might experience performance issues with heavy usage. Regular maintenance and proper resource allocation can help mitigate this. Integration challenges: integrating Nexus with other tools can sometimes be complex. Ensuring compatibility and following best practices for integration can resolve these issues. Advanced tips for using Nexus: automate with scripts. Use Nexus scripting capabilities to automate tasks like repository creation and user management. Optimize storage. Implement cleanup policies to remove old or unused artifacts and free up storage space. Secure your repositories. Configure proper security settings, including user access controls and firewall rules, to protect your artifacts. Alternatives to Nexus: JFrog Artifactory, a universal repository manager that supports a broad range of package formats and integrates well with CI/CD pipelines. Apache Archiva, an extensible repository management software that helps taking care of your own personal or enterprise-wide build artifact repository. GitLab Package Registry, offers a built-in package repository as part of its DevOps lifecycle tooling. Nexus is a powerful tool for managing software artifacts and dependencies, and with the right setup and maintenance, it can significantly streamline the development process.